We're going camping, and all we got is whatever we have in our pockets. This is a everyday carry camping challenge, and we have each have a pocket knife and my phone. He has his wallet, and we have one bottle of water, and that's all we have. And we're gonna go build a shelter and try to make the day. So 24 hours. See y'all later. This is where we're kind of working right now. It's a little water crossing on the bosque here. Letting our socks dry out in the limbs. Milton's trying to get a fire going with his magnifying glass on his Swiss Army. He's also tying up some fishing string that he found. It's hay twine. And he started about 2 foot. He's up to about 6 foot now. And he's going to turn these, he found some Coke bottle tabs right here. He's going to make fishing hooks out of. And we're getting our kindling and fire stuff getting ready. We got our starting hay, straw, thin stuff, bigger stuff. And then we found some bottles, and then we was able to get some frogs. You can see some frogs here. There's some crawfish in there that we got. We got the fire going. I got a little shelf to cook stuff on top of. This is the water. You can see minnows and stuff in there if I zoom in. There's one right there, if you can see. Right about there is a bunch of minnows. But I'm gonna show y'all what the water looks like. It's not that bad. This is what we got. We gotta make water to drink. I'm gonna put it on that shelf right here, and we're going to boil it. Go see if you can find it. It's on the ground. Look, let me see it. You see it?
My gosh.
I know, right? Oh, it's broken off. Is it in there? Watch your finger, you might cut it.
No, it's not in there.
Ain't that something? Let me see it. Show it to me. Oh, knife. Huh, that's interesting. So Milton's been catching crawfish, and guess that's what we're eating for lunch today. We already put one in there. We got the fire going. That's boiling. It was pretty hot. So Milton, just go ahead and show us your catch for lunch today. Surviving the wild with nothing but our pocket knives. Oh wow. And they came out, they're kind of, when you cook them, they turn red. And so we're gonna boil these crawfish. Got the fire going. How many did you catch?
6 or 7.
6 or 7?
About to go get more.
Oh, he got a grasshopper. There's a grasshopper burning. Well, looks like you got that grasshopper. Crawfish, great southern style. Living off the land. Bon appetit. Got some crawfish. All right. They're small. They have a grassy flavor, like grass. You gonna get one?
Sure.
What it tastes like? Fishy a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
You don't like it?
No, I like it. It's not a lot.
I'm filming you. Alright, so we ate some blackberries and now we're eating these little tops right here, and we're getting the more purple ones. And we found an old Gatorade bottle. I'm gonna stab it. See? Can you see how I stabbed it? Kinda. Then we have this Gatorade bottle here. That and that's how we're carrying them so we don't get thorns on us. We're gonna do one more, and then we're gonna put these in the fire and roast them. Put this one over here. That one's not that bad. See one that's real good?
Right here.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's soft. All right. Now we might get one of these. Well, we got the cactus roasted and got the thorns off of it. Now we're going to tear into it and see what it tastes like. So we'll see. He's drying out his shoes and we're just getting in the shade. And we got some more water. We filled it up at a water trough. So this one's a little tougher. There it goes. Looks pretty good. Let it cool off and we'll taste it. What does it taste like?
Tastes like those berries.
Like those berries?
Mm.
I'm gonna try mine out. So we burnt the thorns off of it so we can just peel it back like this. Those are a bunch of seeds. Tastes like a tomato to me. Like a little sweeter, but that's a seed right there. Anyways, all right.